Shenzhen Tuowei Model Technology Company Limited was founded in 2009, specializing in custom parts manufacturing technology, including CNC machining, rapid mold, injection molding, prototyping, 3D printing, and vacuum casting. We provide high quality and competitive prices. In the last years, we have provided prototype OEM customization services for BYD, Jingdong, and other Fortune 500 enterprises. Currently, the business has covered 62 countries around the world, including different fields, such as medical devices, auto parts, home appliances, communication accessories, security products, gifts, 3C, aviation, and so on. We also have many certificates, including First-Class Confidentiality Certificate, International ISO 9001 Certification, IATF 16949 Certification, ISO 13485 Certification, ISO 14000 Environmental Certification. Shenzhen Tuowei maintains close interaction with many international top professionals. We have the latest international technology, many senior technical workers and engineers, and 72 units high-end manufacturing equipment, such as 5-axis CNC machining, automatic machine tool, multi-axis linkage turning, and milling machine, 600-ton high-tin injection molding machine, vacuum casting machine, 3D printer, metal printer, 3-dimensional detector. We have a complete supply chain system from rapid prototyping to mass production. We offer strong engineering support, excellent customer service, and cutting-edge processing technology, and provide customers with one-stop quality services.